Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a runner chasing that next PR, a triathlete juggling swim, bike, run, or just someone who wants a smartwatch that feels like your personal coach, then buckle up because today we're lacing up for a deep dive into the ultimate training partner. I'm talking about the Garmin Forerunner 970. This sleek whitestone beauty is Garmin's latest powerhouse for multisport athletes, packed with AI insights, flashlight power, and battery that lasts through your longest efforts. You can snag it right now on Amazon using the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to supercharge your training without weighing you down. Let's hit the ground running and see why this watch is leading the pack in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Garmin Forerunner 970. This isn't your basic fitness tracker. It's Garmin's flagship running and triathlon smartwatch, built for serious athletes with a lightweight 47-gram translucent case that's comfortable for all-day wear. At the heart is the always-on 1.4-inch AMOLED display with a sapphire crystal lens that's scratch-resistant and readable in bright sun. It runs on Garmin's Elevate V5 optical heart rate sensor for spot-on 24/7 monitoring, including advanced HRV status for recovery and training readiness scores that tell you when to push or rest. Battery life is a standout, up to 16 days in smartwatch mode, 26 hours in GPS mode, or 52 hours with multi-band GNSS for pinpoint accuracy in urban canyons or forested trails. The built-in flashlight with red light mode is a game changer for night runs or pre-dawn swims, and it has a speaker for music playback and calls. For training, it's loaded with over 30 activity profiles, including running, triathlon, cycling, swimming, and strength, with custom workout builders and animated on-screen guides for form checks. The AI-powered coach analyzes your data to suggest workouts, predict race times with VO2 max and lactate threshold, and offer pacing strategies for races. Navigation shines with preloaded topo maps, turn-by-turn directions, Climb Pro for real-time hill data, and breadcrumb trails for off-course recovery. Smart features include notifications, Garmin Pay for tap-to-pay, and Connect IQ for apps, watch faces, and up to 2,000 songs from Spotify or Amazon Music stored offline. It's 5 ATM water-rated for open water swims, and the touchscreen works with gloves or wet fingers. Setup is a breeze. Pair with your phone via Bluetooth, download the Garmin Connect app, and sync your data. Priced around $699, it's premium but loaded with pro tools that pay off in performance gains. Versatility is massive. Switch from road running to open water triathlons to gym strength sessions, with incident detection that auto alerts contacts if you fall. The watch even suggests recovery time based on your sleep, stress, and body battery energy levels, making it a true daily companion. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are enormous. The AI coaching is like having a personal trainer on your wrist, adapting workouts to your fitness level. Battery lasts through marathons and more. The flashlight is a lifesaver for early mornings, and tracking accuracy for heart rate, GPS, and swim strokes is unmatched. Users love the vibrant AMOLED that's easy on the eyes, the lightweight design for long wear, and how it motivates with race predictor and form running metrics. It's a multisport beast that grows with you, from 5Ks to Ironmans. But no watch is flawless. The main con is the price. At $699, it's a splurge for casual joggers. It's got a steeper learning curve with all the data. Some note the band could be comfier for tiny wrists, and while rugged, it's not as tough as the Enduro for extreme trails. Overall, pros crush the cons for dedicated athletes. So my recommendation? Absolutely go for the Garmin Forerunner 970 if you're serious about running or triathlons and want a coach that pushes you smarter. The pros like AI insights, epic battery, and precise tracking make total sense for racers, trainers, or goal chasers. It's not just a watch, it's your edge for breaking barriers. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your heart rate up, hit subscribe for more gear breakdowns and training tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel at no extra cost and gets you the best deal. Finally, don't forget to use the link below for the absolute best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with your running crew, or subscribe for more. Catch you next time.